We want you to be able to do everything here. With an affordable and innovative device for your iPhone 5, fits here. Numerous design progressions resulted in a combination of 8 highly useful features. The iPhone takes more pictures every day than any other camera in the world. Imagine what you will capture with magnetic lenses and tripod mounts. Imagine a place to neatly wrap your earbuds on or off your iPhone. Imagine the possibilities when a capacitive stylus for your iPhone or iPad is always in reach. XiStera offers more viewing angles than you can imagine with portrait, landscape, and headphone stand options. XiStera allows you to securely mount your iPhone anywhere you can imagine. Imagine having a small, powerful LED when natural light is not enough. Imagine where you'll keep it. And imagine how often you'll use it.